This 2026 Rockwood 2515S is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Rockwood is 25 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 2, slide-out, refrigerator, LP detector, leveling jacks, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, water heater, TV, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-bath, rear kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Rockwood 2515S is 5,852 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.